Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be focusing on another closet. It's the closet that I had told y'all about in the last video that was a hot mess. It's basically supposed to be in my gadget closet and just organizing all of my cleaning stuff and tools and whatever, because that stuff is like pretty much all over the house and I need it to be in one area so I know where to go when I need my drill. I know where to go when I need tools, certain tools or whatever. It's just having it in different areas just didn't make sense for me mentally. And as I had said in my another video, that I'm just trying to get my life together, and decluttering and organizing seems to be what's working for me, to making sure that everything has a place. And if it doesn't, if it doesn't have a place, it doesn't need to be here, if that makes sense. I'm just trying to get rid of stuff that I no longer need, and just create a place of peace for me, and being able to have some type of structure and organize my life, if that makes sense. So this video is not going to be long. But I thank you guys for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to stick around and join my YouTube family. If you're not new, thank you for always coming to back to support me. And y'all, please make sure there's a new feature on YouTube to hype up videos. If you don't mind hyping up this video, I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure you also like it. All of this stuff is free, y'all. If you really are here to support and show love, this is the best way to do so. If you could leave me a emoji or something in the comments, that also helps as well. Plus, if you're coming back to watch, at least support in a way that makes sense. And hit the like button, hype, do something to let me know that you appreciate me and you are enjoying my comment. Enjoying my video. Like, just let me know that you're out there, okay? All right, y'all, this is my chicken fajitas. I did not cut up all the different color peppers that I had, but that's what it ended up looking like. And this is the cilantro rice. All right, here's my plate. I can only eat one soft shell taco versus hard shell. If it's hard shell, I can at least eat two, but I can only eat one, so that's why I only have one. And I have a little bit of cilantro rice. I was today years old when I found out that you can pull that little plastic thing that you use to pour your laundry stuff. That's in the way that's blocking that last little bit to come out. I didn't know that you could pull that plastic thing out and get all of it out. This thing it's just a little bit left because it filled it up to the top. So, and I'm still gonna use that little bit, but I did not know you could pull that thing out. All right, y'all. This is why it's very important to shop your house before you start on a project. I'm getting ready to start on this other closet. That was my coat closet that I turned into supposed to be tools and all my gadgets and stuff. But before I got started, I went to, because I used to shop at Dollar Tree all the time, and I used to hit up Target's the 5 and under spot or whatever. I used to hit that up. Like, I had so much stuff to use to get this closet organized. All of this stuff, like all this stuff came from Target. Except for these, they came from IKEA. But this stuff has never been used, y'all. Look, the tag's still on it. These bins that I used in my other closet, I had 2 more. I got these from Target as well. These I got from Dollar Tree years ago, never been used. Like, I don't even need to buy anything for storage. And then this bin I had, because y'all know I told y'all I craft. I have 2 of these that's not being used, so I'm going to use one of them in my closet. And then I found all these storage bags that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm like, girl, you need this stuff. So yeah, I'm about to get this closet all the way together. All right, y'all, this is the before, and forgive me, I know that I filmed this with my camera turned the right way. I don't know why it's showing up like this, but just forgive me because the rest of the video is probably going to show up like this. So, um, but yeah, let's get this closet together. This is the outcome of this closet. I have opened this door and shut it so many times because I'm just like, I cannot believe what a difference. All right, so let me show you guys what I did. So in here is my drill and all my drill bits. This is all the cords, like the chargers. And I gotta figure out, some of these, I don't know if we still have the stuff for these, but I have to figure out that. And I just put the cleaner for my spin wave in here, since the spin wave is in here. This is actually a bin that I can put anything in here. Right now I just have my, it's supposed to be a steam mop. This goes to my steam mop, but the part for the actual mop broke. So I have to get me a whole nother one. But I just kept this one. It's a handheld. I have to find my gadgets to go to this because there's more than that. I don't know what I did with it. And then y'all know I had this over here and it was hanging off the wall. So I ended up moving it here, and I just have my broom and my dustpan on that. I'm gonna, once I open up duster. I'm gonna hang that in here as well, and just keep the new ones in the supply closet. This I have to go find some more of these like little things because I have a ton of these I got from IKEA, and these are just magnetic clips, so I can just clip, like if I have a bag of extra nails or whatever, I can hang here. Right now I have these. I have a whole bunch of these, but these were in a kit that I got. So, and I'm about to throw that container that I got the kit in. I'm gonna throw that away. So I just put those in there. Over here, since I took the hanging thing that I had, if you seen at the beginning, that was a shoe organizer. So I'm gonna put it. I need something in my closet for my shoes. My shoes are getting out of hand, so I'm gonna put that in my closet. So I just hung these two up, which I got these from Target's Dollar Spot years ago. Never used them, but I have all the tape in here. I still have not found my painter's tape yet though, but I have all other kinds of tape in here, so I'm gonna use this just for tape. I have my hammers and stuff, and then these I just put in here too. I have, this is another collection of those little silver things that I have in here. I have a leveler that I forgot that I had. I have my handheld carpet cleaner, and then my full carpet cleaner here, and then this is my spin wave. I haven't used it in a while, but I'm going to use it in between mopping. Because it just seemed like it'll be better for me to use this in between when I actually mop, just to keep the floors clean and sanitized. And then in here I have extra mop heads for my spin mop, and I put some light bulbs in here. I'm eventually gonna just have this full of light bulbs. This is all of my gadgets for my Kim cleaner. And then this is all of my mop heads down here. I have this rug here because I put it out occasionally. I won't leave it out because Kobe likes to tear up rugs if they're not hooked to the floor good. Up here, I just have, this is like my balloon blower. I bought this for when I had my daughter's graduation party, and I kept it because I haven't used it since. So, and this is just an extra tablecloth. These are all of my little storage bags that I found that I had downstairs. These are more of the storage bags. You can get these at Dollar Tree, y'all. These are all of my tools that I have found in different places of my house. So now they're all together. I need them. And then down here is just like this type of stuff. These are all extra nails and screws or whatever. And I have a stapler gun thing, and these are the staples for it. I gotta find the stapler and put in here with this stuff, but this is it, y'all. I am so proud of myself. I would paint the walls, but I ain't spending all that. I'm not really, it's just a closet. I'm not gonna do that, but that's how it turned out. I thank you guys for watching. This is actually the day that I'm dropping the video. I look tired because I am. I thank you guys for watching, and I will chat with y'all in the next video. Taking just be